the Birds. Chapter 1. Who wants to plant a garden? Asked Tock. I do, said all the super kids. Terrific, said Alf. We just have to buy seeds. Hot Rod said, but I don't have a single coin. We can use coins from the club bank, said Doc. Tock and I will get a garden plot, said Alf. The rest of you can buy the seeds. Alf and Tock ran to the garden club. Lots of boys and girls were waiting to get garden plots. Let's join the line, said Alf. Alf and Tock had to wait a long, long time. At last, it was Alf and Tock's turn. The gardener gave them plot number 4. She said, your plot is right here. And she pointed to it on the map. Thank you, said Alf and Tock. They rushed back to the bus. Chapter 2. We got a plot, said Alf. Did you get seeds? Hot Rod said, yes, Tack and I got corn seeds. Oswald and Lily got carrot seeds. Etta Betta and Sal are planting beans. Peas for Tick and me, said Doc. Radishes for me, yelled Fritz. And beets for Icky and me, said Cass. What kind of seeds did you get for Alf and me? Asked Tock. Oh no, said Doc. We forgot you. Alf and Tock were disappointed. They had waited in line so long. Well, said Tock, you can start planting without us. Alf and I will go find some seeds. I wish we could buy seeds, said Tock, but there are no coins left. My mom puts bird seed in our bird feeder, said Alf. We could plant some of that. Let's try it, said Tock. Alf lifted Tock up. She grabbed a handful of bird seed. Alf and Tock went to the garden. Tock pointed to a spot. Let's plant our seeds there, she said. They will get lots of light. Chapter 3. What are you planting? Asked Sal. Bird seed, said Tock. The kids laughed. Are you going to grow birds? Giggled Tick. Tweet, tweet, laughed Tack. Tock and Alf planted their bird seed. They kept the soil moist. Each day, they checked to see if the bird seed had started to grow. How is your tweetweed? Laughed Cass. Do you have bird blossoms yet? Giggled Icky. Those kids annoy me, said Tock. Me too, said Alf. I don't enjoy their jokes. Chapter 4. After a while, carrots, radishes, corn, beans, peas, and beets started to grow. Something even began to grow from the birdseed. Each day, the birdseed plants got bigger. In fact, they were the tallest plants in the garden. The kids stopped making fun of Alf and Tock. Then, one sunny day, the birdseed plants blossomed. "That birdseed plant is so pretty," said Doc. "It's the best plant in the garden," said Tack. Just then, a bird landed on the plant. Tock laughed. She said, "See, we did grow birds after all."